Hello, and welcome to an overview of Office 365. My name is Kelly Rexine, and I'm going to take you through um, the main points in Office 365. First, you will need to sign in with your username and password. And once you have signed in, you will notice that you can start using it online. You can use it with a Mac or PC, or you can use Office 365 with a phone or tablet. If you need to watch a welcome video on Office 365, it's right there, a preview of what it's all about, different ways that you could share documents, emails, if you need some refreshers on that. So you can click also on the Mac and PC side, and you can see different tutorials there, along with the phone and tablet and how to set that up. So if you have an iPad or an iPhone, you would just click on iPhone, and it's going to give you step-by-steps on how to set it up and what kind of apps to use. I'm going to talk about these tabs up top right here. Outlook, we'll look into that first, but Outlook is a mail app. It uses your Hotmail account or any other email account that you have set up. And I don't have, this is just a test account right now, so this is what I have set up. I don't have any contacts or anything like that, so mine is very bare. I don't have anything in my inbox, but the inbox would be here. This is where you would see your messages. You can set up different folders and inboxes here too. So that's Outlook, and second tab is Calendar. Again, I don't have anything in my calendar except for one Microsoft Office training, 365 training that I put in just as a test. But it's very simple. You basically click, double click, put in your event, where it's at, attendees. This is what's nice about 365 too, is that you can add a room. For schools, there's maybe one gymnasium, and you could put location gym, and now when you link that calendar and you use it as a school calendar, you wouldn't need to go run to the office and say, well, is the gym being used at 10:30? Here's where somebody could block off a room, or computer lab or something like that. So you'd set everything up, and then you just hit save, and it would be on your calendar like this. Okay. You can create different calendars, or you can share different calendars. Sharing is up here. You can share it with whoever you would like. Maybe it's the whole school, maybe it's just your grade level team. You can do anything like that. So adding is simple as double clicking or clicking up here. You can have your whole calendar available. There's also People, the third tab. People is, you notice that I don't have any people in this section, but you can import all your contacts from using social media. So if your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn accounts, you can create different rooms, groups, and all your contacts. So all your contacts would be here laid out. This is kind of nice because if you had a let's just say Ryan Johnson, his R, you'd have to search for R, the first name. But if you wanted to search by Johnson, you could click last name, search by Johnson, or where he lives, recently added, all that kind of stuff. So you can also search for people real quick. So if I had Ryan Johnson in my contacts, I could just simply click and type in Ryan Johnson, and he would pull up. This is your contacts, and then their information would be over on this side. Newsfeed. Newsfeed is the third tab, or fourth tab here, and Newsfeed is more kind of like a Facebook-looking social media site, and basically you follow the people that you would like. You can upload documents. You can have different sites, so teachers could have different sites, and you can do different taggings and put hashtags behind them to simply search for something faster. There's also you can add your picture, what your email account is. This I notice I don't have any conversations, but you can start a conversation with everyone or certain contacts that you just want. You can upload pictures, mentions. You can find out who's talking about you. Um, the About Me section, basically you can upload pictures. I uploaded a picture and I started a blog. That's the next tab down here is you can start any kind of blogs. You can do sites and blogs, but basically you can create a blog, create posts, upload pictures, and you can create it as a class or somewhere where your students or parents um, access for more information. For the fifth tab is SkyDrive, and SkyDrive is a cloud-based uh, system that you can create any document, or you can drag any files right to here, and you can upload them to your SkyDrive. SkyDrive, you have 7 gigabytes worth of space, and you can sync them across tablets and phones and computers. So you can start working on something on your computer and then access it on your phone. Notice I started just a couple of them. This one, this is a Word document. When I click on it, it's going to go into the Word app, the web app, and when it pulls up, it won't have. I can edit it in the web app. When it pulls up, you will see it looks a lot like the Word. There's nothing in here right now, but you can also open it in Word so that you're working on something online. I can also open it up in Word if I have that program on my computer. So let's go back. So we'll just save that in my SkyDrive, and you can also, with SkyDrive, you can create all kinds of new documents. You can do a Word document, you could do an Excel workbook, you could do a PowerPoint presentation, you could do a OneNote notebook, or you could do a survey through Excel. You can also create different folders if that's what you would wish. This is all done on the web, and you can, once you start, say, a PowerPoint presentation, you can bring it down if you had that software on your computer, and you could bring it down from the cloud and access PowerPoint on your computer. Next, we have sites. Sites would be, you can set up any kind of site for, we have a team site and we have a public site. I just started a quick site that for an example, but you can basically have any sites to communicate with your parents or students or anybody that you want to connect with. But it's a simple, this could be the home page, and here's your website, and so you can have another place for somebody to access information that you want to put out. So you just click New Site, and it's going to create a new site. There's also a couple other options that that you can mess around with. Under your username, you have a drop-down menu, and you can go About Me, and you can add a picture. You can really edit your profile any way that you'd like. There's a gear to the right. This is also, you can add different apps and do different edit any settings there. There's also a question mark, and this is where the help menu comes in. If you had any point, if you need help with how to do something, intro lists or creating a site, you can click that, and it's going to show you step by step on how to create a site and kind of walk you through that. So that's my overview of Office 365, and thank you for tuning in. Thanks.